ugly side. We're gonna walk in a moment to the nice side. So this is the side I told you, which is not cleaned yet. It's dark and ugly. Why? Because thin limestone has iron bits in it. And the iron bits, they get dark when they oxidize with stop. Pause. Just keep walking with me. Nice just little issue with the little trucks. So let's watch everybody while you walk. Moment, let's stop here. Have you heard of the store called Manna? Manna are hazelnut biscuits, square biscuits. They come in different flavors: hazelnut, chocolate, lemon. This is only hazelnut. Really good. And why are they here in the largest palace? Because they sponsor staying in the church since the 1990s. In return, they're allowed to use the logo of the church, and on their package it says Vienna. My name is my German language. It's really good. When my mother goes on holidays, she doesn't know the food is. She always brings the hazelnut biscuit with her because then you have something which lasts a long time. So if you want to try it, go there. But it was super church. Now the stunning church, let's walk like 40 degrees. So you see, we're here already now in the center of town. You can't be more central than this. So St. Stephen's is the place with pedestrian street, cafes and schools, museums. But as I told you before, up on the local there is the area, which means cars, normal cars. Here is the main entry to the church, and Ireland later we'll walk a little bit further down and show you a bit more. But here now, from now, is the beautiful door. So, we have here is the store entrance, and you see that the door entrance dates back to 1137. 1137. It was not as church first. In the church, English way. The rebuild of and this one, church entrance 1137, grave of the church 13th to 15th century. Different state at this site. There used to be a grave, that's what the gravestone title is showing, and there's nobody there.